crazy. If you haven't seen my other video yet, this is my Black Panther inspired makeup look. I also wanted to do hair inspired by SZA's hairstyle in the new video with her new video with Kendrick Lamar, All the Stars, that is also on the soundtrack for Black Panther. So I thought, why not? Why not? The specific hairstyle that I'm gonna do is the one with the like 5 buns on her hair, and it's like really curly and wavy. That's why my hair's braided right now. Yeah, so it's really curly and wavy. I'm gonna put the picture right here if I can get a screenshot from the video. I thought her hair was gorgeous, and I thought it would fit this look very well, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I left my hair braided over for a couple of hours now, and I had like perm rods on the ends. Of course, some of them come out, so I'm gonna take them out now. So my hair is wild and crazy. It's actually really cute photo. First, I'm going to section off the front part because I know she leaves hair out. Okay, you could use anything like a clip or something, anything to keep them out of the way. And now I'm just going to section off some of the hair. Alright, so I'm gonna work on it section by section. I'm gonna clip the rest of them out of the way, so let's just do this one. That seems like a good amount of hair. Just clip the rest. Bam. So first things first, this is all cute hairstyle. This is so cute. I love this hairstyle. Second off, if you have rubber bands, those would probably work better than bobby pins because the bobby pins are pretty loose. As you can see, this bun is already moving on its own. But yeah, how did I do? Did I do good for my first time trying out this hairstyle? I hope I did. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button if you like what you saw. I know this is a very short tutorial. It's not even a tutorial. It's just like me trying to do the SZA hairstyle once again. But yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's either on this side or this side. I'm not sure which side it's on, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to tune in for the next one. All right, bye.